Hello guys, WordPress 5 update came with a new editor called Gutenberg. It's kind of cool, uh, called block editor. You can do a lot of things like adding blocks, but it's take time to learn a little bit, and most of the time it's having some problem with old themes. So I need to revert back to an old editor. So all I need to do is go to appearance and editor, find your functions.php file and adjust this code snippet into the bottom of the functions.php file in your theme file. And click update file. That's pretty much it. This is good old editor. So thank you for watching guys.